What if your final resting place wasn't a cemetery, but the open ocean? No headstone, no crowded plots, just endless water, peace, and freedom. And surprisingly, it can cost a lot less than a traditional funeral. Today, we're talking about burial at sea, how it works, your options, and what it actually costs. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, your trusted resource for funeral planning, memorial design, and guidance when you need it most. So what is burial at sea? Burial at sea is the placement of a loved one's remains into the ocean in a respectful, regulated way. There are two main options: cremation with ashes scattered at sea, full body burial in a casket or shroud. Both are legal in the U.S., but must follow EPA guidelines, typically at least 3 nautical miles from shore. Cremation burial at sea is by far the most popular and most affordable option. Here's how it works. After cremation, the ashes are either scattered directly into the ocean or placed in a biodegradable urn that dissolves. Families can choose two types of services: unattended with no family present, typically around $100 to $400. Then there's attended, where the family is present and on the boat. This option usually costs between $1,000 to $5,000 and up, depending on the boat size and location. Most families choose attended services so they can say a few words, play music, toss flowers, and share a moment of reflection together. Some providers even give GPS coordinates so you can return later to the place of sea burial. The full body burial at sea option is less common but very meaningful. In this case, the body is placed in a specially designed biodegradable casket or shroud that will sink naturally. Requirements include at least 3 nautical miles offshore, deep water, often 600 feet or more. Okay, so what are we looking at cost-wise? Typically $5,000 to $10,000. Some high-end services can go even higher depending on distance and ceremony details. The ceremony is done on a boat, similar to a traditional service, but more intimate and private. Okay, let's put it all together so you understand the full picture. Basic sea burial, cremation plus simple service, is about $1,800 to $6,000 total. For a private boat charter, you're looking at approximately $1,000 to $4,500 depending on distance and time. You'll also need to factor in permits and fees, which range from $100 to $1,000. If you compare it to a traditional burial, which can easily run $7,000 to $20,000 or more, this is often a more affordable option. You should keep in mind these prices are estimates as of the making of this video, which is in 2026, and will vary depending on your location. So why do families choose a burial at sea? For some, it's personal: love of the ocean, military or Navy background, fishing, sailing, or coastal life. For others, it's practical: lower cost, no cemetery plot needed, more environmentally friendly. And for many, it just feels more peaceful. Burial at sea is available to both military personnel and civilians, though the process differs slightly for each. For members of the U.S. military, such as those who served in the Navy, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, and certain veterans, burial at sea may be conducted by the military at no cost, provided eligibility requirements are met. This typically includes active duty members, retirees, and honorably discharged veterans. The service is formal and respectful, often including full military honors depending on the individual's rank and service history. Civilians can also choose burial at sea through licensed providers who specialize in ocean memorial services. These may include scattering cremated remains or full-body burials using specially prepared caskets or biodegradable shrouds, following environmental regulations set by agencies like the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Civilian services are usually arranged privately and can be customized to include family attendance, readings, or ceremonial elements, offering a meaningful and peaceful farewell on the open water. A burial at sea offers something truly unique: freedom, simplicity, and a deep connection to nature. And in many cases, it's not only meaningful, but more affordable than traditional options. If you're considering it, take time to understand your options and create a service that truly reflects your loved one's life. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.